Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in the day 343, and as we were discussing regarding significance of collaborative research, so we'll discuss about the fourth point, that is funding possibilities. So what happens in collaborative research? The funding opportunities, the probability of funding opportunities get enhanced. So major collaboration schemes are, you can see on the video slides that I have mentioned the major collaboration schemes. So what you have to do, you have to go through all the schemes and just read all the aspects thoroughly according to your requirement. So whatever scheme suits your requirement, you have to continuously track the time that when the advertisement are coming, then what is the process of proceeding with that particular scheme, and each and every aspect, I mean to say. So it depends on the requirement of the researcher. What are your requirement? Based on that, you have to study. You have to go thoroughly across all the schemes. So hope you understood this. Now, one thing I want to tell you, that you have to be socially active. Social media plays an important role in keeping you updated with the latest openings and opportunities, relaxations, and many more things that you need to know. So, it's my humble request to be socially active. Now, a very important aspect, that is travel, living, and research cost. So, in most of the schemes, travel, living, and research cost get covered. Now, it can vary according to the understanding, memorandum of understanding between the two organizations or institution. So, it may vary. So, you have to assure yourself with these three aspects: travel, living, and research cost, whether you are getting this facility or not. So, you have to assure yourself. So, hope you have understood this point also. So keep on browsing, keep yourself updated with the latest collaborative research initiatives. So work hard. Thanks a lot.